Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on a Toyota RAV4. This is a straightforward task that you can easily do yourself in about 5 to 10 minutes. First, make sure you have your new replacement blade and a small flathead screwdriver ready. Always work on a level surface for safety. It's also a good idea to quickly review any specific instructions that came with your new wiper blade, as designs can vary slightly. Now, let's remove the old wiper blade. Carefully lift the entire wiper arm away from the rear window until it locks into an upright position. Look closely at where the blade connects to the arm. You'll usually find a small tab or clip. Gently press or pry this tab with your flathead screwdriver to release the locking mechanism. Once released, simply slide the old blade straight off the arm. Be careful not to let the arm snap back against the glass. With the old blade removed, installing the new one is just as simple. Take your new wiper blade and align its attachment point with the end of the wiper arm. Slide the new blade onto the arm until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely locked into place. Give it a gentle tug to confirm it's firmly attached. Finally, carefully lower the entire wiper arm back down onto the rear window. Avoid letting it drop suddenly. After installation, it's crucial to test your new wiper blade right away. Turn on your rear wiper to ensure it operates smoothly and provides a clear, streak-free wipe across the entire window surface. If you notice any issues, double-check the installation. Remember, it's generally recommended to replace your rear wiper blade every 6 to 12 months for optimal visibility and safety, especially before winter. Investing in a good quality blade can make a big difference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.